How to work out with heavy lifts is a topic that has a lot of confusion around it, but doesn't have to be complicated at all. In this video, I'll walk through how I suggest you go about structuring your workout when you want to train to get stronger. For example, let's say today's strength workout is 3 sets of 5 reps back squat. For me, that's going to be 3 sets of 5 at 315 pounds. How did I get 315? That's around 80 to 85% of my current 1 rep max. Now that I know I'm going to be at or around 315, I can plan my warm-up sets. Here I've written out the whole plan. I'm going to do a few warm-up sets with an empty bar, and then take between 3 or 4 similar jumps in weight to get to 315. These numbers don't have to be perfect. Remember, we are just trying to warm up so we feel ready for our work sets. I always start out with an empty bar. Even with an empty bar, I'm trying to practice the lift as if it were already heavy. I take my first jump to 135 and do 5 more reps again, trying to make every rep look the same regardless of weight. Next is 225 on the bar for another set of 5. The only rest between warm-up sets is however long it takes me to load the bar. So I load 275 on the bar, and because this is my last warm-up set before my work weight, I like to just do 3 reps here to leave a little bit in the tank. After a short rest, I do my first work set at 315. At this point, it's important to sit down and take a break. Another common question is, how much rest should I take between work sets? And my answer is, however much rest you need to make your lift. Generally, 2 to 3 minutes is a good reference point. If you squat 5 reps and can do it again in 30 seconds, you're probably not going heavy enough. 3 minutes pass and I do my second work set at 315. I'm feeling pretty tired today, so I end up taking 5 minutes of rest before my last work set. This is no big deal. I would rather you take more rest and make your lifts than take less rest and miss a lift. After my last work set, I'm done with my squats today and can move on to other lifts, in which I will repeat the whole process, warming up with an empty bar.